Hi there, and welcome to the Proxy Sale channel. My name is Andrew. In this video, we're going to explore the Vision Antidetect browser. We'll dive into its features and functionality to see how it stands out. Let's get started with the review. Vision is an innovative anti-detection browser designed to enhance user anonymity while facilitating the management of multiple accounts efficiently. It's engineered for peak performance, boasting low resource consumption and high operational speed. To ensure users remain at the cutting edge of security and functionality, Vision receives regular updates and improvements, keeping its technology current and reliable. Vision offers several key features. Team management. Vision allows the creation of a team with flexible access rights, facilitating seamless collaboration. You can customize roles for each team member, tailoring access as needed for effective project management. Device fingerprint database. The browser uses fingerprints from real network devices, enhancing the level of masking and reliability. This feature significantly increases the chances of bypassing anti-fraud systems and staying undetected while navigating online. Secure cloud storage. All browser profiles are stored in secure cloud storage, ensuring that data access is both safe and convenient. This allows users to easily switch between different profiles without compromising security or efficiency. Vision's pricing plans are thoughtfully designed to meet the diverse needs of users, from individuals to large teams, providing tailored access and robust features. The micro plan, starting at $29, is ideal for individuals needing basic anti-detection functionalities, allowing up to 50 profiles. This plan is perfect for those just beginning or with minimal requirements. The base plan, beginning at $79, caters to small teams, supporting up to 150 profiles and 2 users. It enhances collaboration by including team management features and offers the flexibility to add additional users at $9 each. The middle plan, priced at $189, builds on the features of the earlier plans by supporting up to 500 profiles and 4 users. It offers the option to expand team size by adding extra users for $15 each, making it suitable for growing teams needing more extensive profile management. The team plan, starting from $389, is tailored for large teams requiring extensive profile and user management capabilities. It allows teams to select the needed number of profiles and starts with 5 users, with an option to add more users at $15 each. Overall, Vision's pricing structure offers a comprehensive solution that balances flexibility, security, and ease of setup, making it suitable for a wide array of team sizes and individual needs. Let's move on to the browser's interface. When you launch Vision, you're immediately taken to the Browsers section. Here, you'll find folders containing various user profiles. To streamline management and enhance navigation, you have the option to create new profile groups. Simply specify a name, select a color, and choose an icon for the folder. This organizational feature makes it easier to quickly locate and switch between different profiles as needed. Let's walk through the steps to create a new profile in Vision. Click on the Create Profile button and start by naming your profile, setting its status, and adding text for easy identification. Vision currently supports Firefox-based profiles, with Chrome support on the horizon. Select your operating system from Windows, Mac OS, or Linux. Proceed to the Proxy section by clicking Select Proxy to choose from your saved proxies, or opt to add a new server. Here you'll enter details such as the name, protocol, HTTP, SOCKS4, SOCKS5, or SSH, and connection data. Test the proxy after setup to ensure functionality. For added flexibility, URL options are available for manual proxy rotation within the application, with detailed setup instructions provided in the on-screen annotation. If you are working within a team profile, you can upload cookies and leave notes for other team members, enhancing collaboration and information sharing. Navigate to the fingerprint settings for advanced options that increase your anonymity. Choose either a random fingerprint or customize one to closely imitate a real device, bolstering your ability to stay undetected. Vision allows you to revisit and edit your profiles at any time. In the Profiles tab, you can update cookies, tags, and status, providing fine-grained control over how your profiles are configured and used. Let's explore the next set of browser tabs in Vision. In the Proxies tab, add individual proxies or import an entire list to enhance your workflow efficiency. Check the supported formats with the information icon and assign proxies directly to profiles for streamlined management. Move over to the Tags and Statuses tab, where you can categorize and track your profiles with ease. These These tabs allow you to assign custom values for quick navigation and effective management of your profile landscape. In the Extras tab, tailor your browsing environment to your liking by downloading extensions, adding bookmarks, and setting your preferred start page, creating a personalized and comfortable workspace. The Teams tab offers tools for effective collaboration. Here you can create user groups and manage access levels. Inviting new members is simple. Just input their email, name, and position and define their access rights, ensuring everyone is properly integrated and has appropriate roles. Anticipate enhanced functionality with automation features that are currently being developed, promising to streamline your processes even further once available. Lastly, visit the Settings tab to manage your account details, adjust your tariff plan, and make further customizations to the application. This tab is designed to optimize your interaction with Vision, making your work more efficient and tailored to your needs. The left panel of the Vision interface offers a dark mode option, ensuring comfortable viewing at any time of day. This feature is particularly useful for reducing eye strain during the extended use. Additionally, users have the flexibility to choose their preferred interface language from a selection that includes English, Portuguese, Chinese, Ukrainian, and Russian, making the browser accessible to a global audience. Based on our review, it's evident that Vision stands out as a fast, reliable Antidetect browser that boasts a convenient and intuitive interface tailored for secure and anonymous online activities. Vision brings to the table unique features that elevate security and ensure user anonymity. As a relatively new entrant in the browser market, Vision is committed to continuous improvement, regularly introducing new features and enhancements. To help new users familiarize themselves with its functionality, Vision offers a 7-day test access, allowing them to practically assess its capabilities and determine how it meets their needs. Let me remind you that your work as well as your accounts may be at risk if you operate with free proxies that can be found on a network. Such proxies do not have guarantees of anonymity and security. We recommend a reliable and trusted provider, proxysale.com, which will allow you to get proxies of any location with guaranteed anonymity and security for working on a network. The link will be in the description. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe buttons. See you in the next video.